Hello guys, welcome back again. So today I would like to show to you how to create an animation using Canva application. So the first thing that you need to do, you need to open your Canva and then create a video project like this. And the next step, you just need to insert a background of your animation. So go to this element button, click it, and then type the background that you want to use. So for example, I would like to type maybe a city, kind of like this, and then just search it. And go to the graphics and use many of things that you want to add as a background. And for example, maybe I would like to use this graphic of city, this one, and then just click this three dots button and set as a background. Or maybe you can just drag the white point like this, make it bigger. Okay, the next step, you just need to insert an object that you want to create a motion moving of it. So go to the element button again and then type the object that you want to add and that you want to use as a animation. And then for example, I'm use this car graphic and then just search it. Now the next part, you just need to hit this kind of button on the search bar, click it, and then check this animated and then click done and click this graphic and see all and use the graphic that you want to add onto the page. So for example, I would like to use this car and decrease the size of it, positioning it inside of the background like this. Make sure it has a same spot like this. And the next step, you just need to click the object and then swipe left the toolbar until you found animate button, this one, click it, then go to the custom animate and then click it again. Now you just need to drag the object onto the exact position that you want. So for me, I would like to make it on this side, kind of like this, then go to the smooth, kind of like that. And when you're done, just click done. And then the next step, I would like to add a motion onto the background. So I would like to make the background is moving, kind of like that. Okay, so now the first step, you just need to positioning the background onto the side like this. And then as same as the object, you just need to swipe left the toolbar until you found this animate button, then click it, go to the custom animate and create an animation. Now because it's just a simple motion, so you just need to drag it onto this side, kind of like this. Kind of like that. Okay, now the next part, you just need to adjust the style of the movement, kind of like this, and I would like to decrease the speed. Okay, and done. And then the next part, you just need to increase the size of it so there is no white spot from the background that you see previously. Okay, so let's make it bigger and positioning it one more time. And when you're done, the final result of it will be look like this. And as you can see, now you have this kind of animation on Canva. That's the way to create it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.